Hello friends, today I am going to provide the solutions for the second exercise of chapter Coordinate Geometry. Friends, if you want solution for the first exercise questions, for that I have uploaded another video. Check out the link of that video, it's there in my description. So this is how the section formula derived. Basically in any exam or test, they are not going to ask about the derivation of this formula. It's just to make you understand. And the thing is, you have to go thorough with this formula, the section formula. And there is an important note which you have to note it down, the midpoint formula. That is also very important while solving the problems which are provided in this exercise. So here goes the problems. So friends, as I say, if you have any doubts or queries on any question related to this exercise, comment it down. For that, I am ready to make other video on that specific question with easy solutions. So friends, you can pause this video and go through each solutions. And friends, at last, if you find this video helpful, please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notifications of my other videos. Thank you.